Today I hope to give you a solution for the no boot file name received. This error is occurring sometimes on your old laptop or old desktop computer. There are so many reasons. First one is BIOS set is incorrect configuration. Another thing is a SATA cable and your hard drive. Sometimes some text sectors are damaged or any other hardware reason or software reason. So I hope to give press F2 key on opening because there are diagnosis opening, so I don't want that. So I hope to open some start menu. You can see here I hope to select BIOS. You can see function F key. You can see main, security, advanced and UEFI drivers. So I hope to click advanced. You can see several menu. I hope to tick on UEFI boot order and I hope to give save and exit. It is not appearing here, so I hope to click main, save and exit. I hope to give yes. You have to wait several seconds. Machine will restart in automatically. Don't worry, you have to wait several seconds. If the speed is depending on your machine type. You can see HP logo is loading. You can see Windows is loading. You have to wait several times or several seconds because it is loading. Your operating system is reading. Don't worry, you have to wait several seconds. If your computer generate this error repeatedly after giving this solution, you can check your BIOS battery. It means motherboard battery. Sometimes it may have damage or sometimes voltage out uncharged. You can see any other problem, you can replace it. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. We are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new technical updates.